Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys I'm going to be showing you how to add a photo in Google Forms. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to go and be opening up the official Google Forms website right here, docs.google.com/forms. This is the main URL that you want to open up. Once you have opened it up, you'll be greeted by the main page right here, which is the home page. Within the upper right corner, we can get started with our account. So if you do not already have an account, what you can do is sign up for one. If you already have an account, just log in normally to your Google account. So once you're ready and logged in, you'll be greeted by the home page right here where we can get started with creating a new form. Under recent forms, we can take a look at all the forms we have already created and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we can get started with managing any images in our forms. If you want to create a form, if you don't already have one, just click the plus button right here. It's going to open up this form right here where you can give it a name, you can give it a description and so on. I have already created my form, so here it is, my tutorial form for a video. As you can see, I have a question with some answers. And now what do we do if we want to add an image into our form? It's very easy, and all we need to do is just right here in the menu bar that appears next to your form, click this option right here that says add image. By clicking add image, it's going to enable you to select where you want to add the image from. You can select either from your drive, from your PC, doesn't matter. You can just click right here and it's going to enable you to upload any kind of image that you want to input into your Google Forms. That's going to await people once they open up your form right here and they'll be able to take a look at it. So it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. See you, thanks for watching, take care and bye.